We explore why advocacy matters, what holds physicians back, and how finding your voice can be an act of healing in itself.
Some people get really focused on thinking, well, if I'm not at the state capitol or at the US Capitol directly talking to lawmakers, then I am not advocating. But actually, I think we are advocates all the time. So my hope is that we can bring more people into this space by showing them that your voice matters, that you don't have to be an expert in specific laws to get started, and that it is our lane, that this is our space.
What is the long-term impact of this that you're seeing on your patients and healthcare system? Because if there is a policymaker or somebody who's listening,
So less access to care, sicker people, longer wait times. Whether you're talking about cutting Medicaid or people leaving the Affordable Care Act because it's unaffordable, or getting dropped off of insurance in any kind of way. If you don't have access to the health care you need, you're sicker, you're worse off when you get to care. I am saying I believe the patient needs X. The insurance company says, well, we believe they could get away with Y. And I'm saying, why? Do you want Y? Do you have this published anywhere? Do you have guidelines? Do you have a book? Do you have an algorithm that I could follow? Well, no. That's all proprietary.
Does it cause you moral injury, seeing all this around it, just not being able to provide the care that you want to provide? And have you seen it in your peers?
It really feels terrible to have to feel like I am pushing someone out because of a payer issue rather than because of what I may or may not believe is right for the patient.
I've seen a lot of food insecurity. I work with children, so I've seen a lot of food insecurity in the past few weeks. And I've had patients tell me, I've had only one decent meal all of last week, and this is like a real story.
No, I just think we as a society, we should be better than that, and people should not be hungry. Children should not be hungry. All advocacy is important. Local action is really important. Don't feel like you have to go all the way as far as taking a trip to Washington, D.C. and meeting with lawmakers, that's the only action you can have.
A world I dream where black or white, whatever race you be, will share the bounties of the earth, and every man is free.